Hi, this is Sive Morten with the daily update on EuroFX. I post my exclusive market overviews with the key political and economical events, charts and important levels on the ForexPeaceArmy.com forums weekly. This short video is a response to rapidly changing situation on the currency markets and should help you to stay on top of the game and be profitable. I suggest you to visit ForexPeaceArmy.com forum and read my analysis for the week before watching this daily video.
Welcome everybody, guys. Let's keep up with our euro analysis. So take a look that yesterday was not really great performance, and you can see trading session was not really very significant, and in general it could happen that indeed on this week we will not get the great volatility due to the short week, holidays in the United States, Thanksgiving Day. So on Wednesday, tomorrow, probably the evening will be also anemic price action. Thursday is the holiday, so let's see what will happen, but currently, as you can see, the overall price action is not really significant. So it means that on the daily chart, we are following our weekly scenario that we discussed in the weekly report, which suggests the reaching of the COP target around 109.80 area. So also here, we do not exclude some slippage to the downside, just because take a look, the COP stands below the lows of the B point, and that some stops probably exist here. Once market will trigger it, this could provide some slippage to the downside. So I will not be exclude the chance market will hit maybe 109.70, 109.65 area, somewhere of this sort. At the same time, we are not considering yet the AB equals CD target, just because it stands below the daily result. So that's why I think that for current short week, the COP will be optimal suggestion. That's probably market could tend to this target. On the 4-hour time frame chart, we do not have some significant patterns or something of that sort, but I would like to show you two reversal sessions, or better to say not the sessions but candles, so intraday chart. So take a look. This market shows the acceleration down every time when the market after the minor pullback has happened. So here's minor retracement. That's, by the way, retracement of our XLP target. If you remember, last week we traded this head and shoulders XLP pattern, and we said that on Monday will be minor pullback, and that has happened. The market dropped by the reversal candle. So take a look, market creates the new top and closed below the lows of the previous candle, which means the reversal type of action. And then the story repeats. So again, minor pullback, new top, and close below the low. So this is suggests and shows that existence of the new sell-off, some selling pressure in the current situation. So that's why currently this market actually stands in some kind of the free space. We don't have some supports in this area or something of that sort. So probably this tendency should continue until market will not hit the COP target. And here on the 4-hour time frame chart, as you can see, trend stands bearish, and you could keep an eye on the possible, if minor pullback here will happen, you could keep an eye on bearish grabber or something of that sort that would let you to take the scalp position with the reaching of the 109.80 area target. Currently, guys, I wouldn't consider taking the longs position just because of the existence of this destination point. It will work like the magnet, and of course everybody understands that everything could happen, but taking in consideration technical picture, this just shows not good probability of the success. When you take the position above the major target, above the major support, well, this is not a logical decision. On the hourly chart, we do not have yet any significant patterns, so that was XLP minor reaction. I would try to calculate here maybe a 3 drive we have, but not. There's too much extension to the downside. It's not typical for the 3 drive pattern. The one thing that probably we could recognize is a kind of the bearish dynamic pressure, because take a look, we have the pull trend by the MACD indicator, but market shows downward action. So if you will plot here the MACD, simple MACD indicator, you will see it better because you will see the divergence. But that is not reliable divergence, since market stands not at the support and not at some objective profit point. So it means that just confirms our suggestion that this is not time yet to take the long position. If you'd like to go long, wait at least until market will hit this area, just because it will provide you necessary protection. So if you will take the long position around the COP, some minor bounce here probably will happen as a result of the respect to the technical respect of this area. That will let you to move your stops to the break even. If even you will be wrong later, market will continue with lower, you will lose nothing. So try to take the positions right at the strong support areas, and that is one of them. So that being said, currently we're watching of the downward continuation. Here a scalp short position could be taken, maybe using some patterns, maybe grabber will be formed here. And finally, another chart I would like to show you. This is the dollar index in the 4-hour time frame chart. And take a look that the XLP that has been hit on the 4-hour time frame chart last week on the euro. Here, this XLP is still valid, and for that purpose, market has to move slightly higher. That supports the idea of the drop on the euro as well, or to the COP target that we have on the daily. Because this XLP, if you'll take a look at the euro 4-hour time frame chart, this XLP we have traded, and it has been hit right here. So already has been hit. So that's things that I would like to show you today, guys. So let's keep watching and following our trading plan.